Hi, I just made a couple of videos tonight on the artistic media Docker, and I was talking about how to draw a baseball, and somebody emailed me and was a little confused what I was talking about. So we just took a circle, an ellipse. I'm gonna Control D. I'm gonna make a duplicate. I'm gonna move well, evidently I didn't. Control D, move it over to about there, and then Control D again. And I've got a baseball in the center. I'm just going to delete these other lines, and that's the start of my baseball. I've got that line selected. If you haven't watched the video on how to create this pattern, so all you have to do is click on your line. I don't know why Corel's doing that. Select the line and do the other side, and then you can take your outline of your baseball and select it, and let's make it a black color and a little darker or a little thicker line. We'll go with a 0.1 black. Make it a little bit thicker. It's hard to know sometimes when you're relative, but there's you a baseball. Even the stitches are kind of past the edge, which they would really be on a baseball. It's a pretty cool effect. So that's how you would draw a baseball. And if you don't know how I created that pattern, just search artistic media Docker. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.